Hello team, welcome to Nile Nadi channel. Today we are going to see how we are going to make use of stunning posters using the Canva graphics. Canva graphics is a designing software and it helps to promote your event or advertise a product or simply expressing your creativity. Canva makes it easy to design eye-catching posters. So let's dive in, right? So before getting started with Canva, you should have an account and you can register yourself with your Canva account if you're not already. So go to canva.com and sign up for free. Once you're logged in, so I'm into logged into the screen now. You can see here, you will be greeted with the Canva dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is where all your designs will be saved. Okay, you can create your own projects and create your folders and designs, put it in your folder, right? You can see here, and you can save a number of titles. So the Canva also comes up with the paid version, and if you go to the plans and pricing, you can see the paid version. The one which we can opt is the free one. If you are a first time user, you can go with the free one, and if you are an advanced user, you can also opt for the professional edition. Professional edition comes with the lot of templates where you can make use of. Okay, so now let's dive in how to use the posture. All right, team. Now we will see at the Canva how we can make use of the posters to create an stunning posters for your organizations or for your own use, right? So Canva has got a multiple templates. A template is nothing but they will give you a fully ready-made things, so you can go and make use of the one whatever you want, whatever for the organizations you want, whether it is for marketing or for the online classes or for the webinars or for your food advertisement or for your shop advertisement. So all those things can be made use of the existing template itself. You need not to do anything from the scratch. So now we will see one of the templates and make use of how we can how you can go and edit the existing one and save the time, right? So what you need to do is after logging to the Canva template, you need to go and type posture here. That will take you to the list of templates. You can see here, right? The poster templates, it is already been listed here. And now I am going to do or select one of the templates here, which is nothing but digital marketing agency. I selected the template and I'm going to customize this template, right? So when I select customize, now it will take me to the screen where all the things are here, right? So this template is got a image, a text, and a background colors and all these things, right? So all these are editable. You can edit on your own. Okay, you can go and register your phone number, your YouTube channel name, and your dates, all those things. So what we'll do is we can keep all these things same here, and here I will change it to 1st September text. 1st September, right? And this will come like this. So you can drag it accordingly, whatever way you want. The tool is very flexible in moving you to the text, right? I have typed this one and I'll keep the time here. And here I'll put the thing as my channel name, that is at the rate of Nile Nadi. This is our YouTube channel name, right? And so what we are going to do is we are going to say like there is a webinar on digital marketing agency on 1st September 8:30, and register now. And you can give the your channel name or your website name, something like that. This is one of the existing template. Okay, so once it is done, you can go here and share it as downloadable format in whatever you want, in PNG format or PDF print format, whatever things, right? This is on the existing template. And we will also see a one how to do it from a scratch. Okay, now let us do a blank posture. That is, I'm not going to use any template. We will create a blank posture on our own. Okay, so this template will come like this. It will come like this, a blank one, and you can go and capture some images if you have from the poster itself. I'm doing two of the images because I'm going to create yoga posture today. So you can see here I got captured two images, and if you have something on your own, okay, so you can also go and upload your own images and put it here, right? So right now I have two images here where I am going to create a poster. You can see now it's a blank one which is going to be created on our own. So we have a template and we have sorry, we have a image posted here, and you can also put your own image. Now we will try to change the color palettes, the poster color, because the color is going to play a major important role, and you can set the background of the color first. So in order to set the background, you can go and select here, and you can select one of these, whatever the way you want, and this, so the gradient colors, there are different options available, right? So you can make because of the different one. So I'm going to select this one. We have images. Now we have background color set. Now we will incorporate some graphics to, so in Canva you can see here it is very easy tool. Okay, there is design elements, text. This is the one which you are going to play mostly. With this you can do a wonders of thing, right? Design elements and tab. Now we are going to add elements tab. Elements, we will add some of the things like the top colored one. There are a lot of things available here. We will select some of the things, and I am going to select a shape like rectangle. So I will go and select here line or graphics, right? You can see some of the graphics here, and I'm going to search for a rectangle shaped lines. So I can go and type rectangle, rectangle. Okay, so you can see here some, there are some things are available. I'll try to paste it here and do it like this. This is something different, but it does not looks good. Okay, you can see here one of the element types. I am going to drag it and put it here. This is available as pro. Pro means it's a professional edition, so it will be involved with some cost. You need to pay accordingly to that. I'm just dragging it here and putting it like this on the top, so that you will have some colorful this one, right? And this image is little adjusted. I'm adjusting it little more. Okay, you have put it like this. I'll drag this one here, here. So you can adjust it accordingly whatever way you want. So I want to just put it like this. On the elements tab we have put it here, and we can also put these things for little more attractions. You can put this one here, this image here, to make it colorful, and this image drag it here. You can adjust the size accordingly to accommodate this, right? And I can little move. Okay, I'm selecting this one and putting it in the center so that it looks different, right? Okay. Now we added image, we added background, and we also added some of the elements. The next one is we need to add some text. On the text part, we'll add a heading first. So the heading will be like, you can adjust the text like learn yoga daily. Okay, this is the topic which you are going to do, and I'm going to put it here, and I am going to add a subheading. Subheading will be follow YouTube channel at the rate Nile Nadi. Okay, so what we are going to say is that this channel we are going to conduct a yoga, so which will be basically online one or a recorded one. So we are going to create this poster and send it to people, right? So interesting. So we have put it here, and once you put it here, you can add some more subheading, and you can put your phone numbers or your website, whatever you want. Here I am putting my channel name, right? So this is the way you create the one. So It's very simple, right? You can add some more elements here, like what we have seen earlier, this one. So it is saying like a loudspeaker is giving a message to you. Okay, all right. So we have created. So this poster is a very simple one, which we are going to trying to communicate that the way uh, how these things are going to happen, right? That's the thing. So once everything is done, if it looks fine, and what you can do is you can download this format on the way whatever you want, either using the png format or your print pdf format, right? So using this is the one which created on our own. Okay, we created a background, we added a image, you can also add your own image, we added text, we added some elements into the channel, and that's it. We added the respective gradients, right? So if you wanted to increase the position or something, you can go and do that. uh, this position adjustments can be done, right? All those things. So it's very fantastic tool. So we have created a posture using template as well as customization. Thank you for watching. We will see another Canva in a step by step instructions in the next recordings.